simplicity carried to an extreme becomes elegance. Meet the new ProLights Arcshine series, a family of linear wall grazing fixtures specially designed for outdoor architectural lighting. The range comes in two size versions, a 100cm with 18 LEDs and a 50cm version with 9 LEDs. There are also two power variants, the S version with 18 watt and 36 watt LEDs and the M version with 36 watt and 72 watt RGB warm white emitters. Their native narrow optics, 8 degrees for the M series and 15 degrees for the S series, enhance the light intensity while providing uniform color mixing. ProLights has several holographic filters that can be fitted to change the projection angle, including 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 10 by 60 degrees, and 30 by 60 degrees filters. All units are built in an extruded and die-cast aluminium body with tempered glass, with an IP66 rating that withstands the toughest weather conditions. There is also an in-ground casing available to make these units recessed. These features have an integrated AC power supply and driver with DMX RDM control. The Arcshine range also includes variable white-only fixtures of the same length and power features, but in a bi-color CCT range from 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Arcshine range. Elegance in lighting.